Yeah, good afternoon. This is Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Monday, the 4th of May 2020. It's 4:51 p.m. local here in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts. The new candle was at 4 p.m. approximately 51 minutes ago. There was a little bit of action, so it's taken me a little bit of while to clean up the charts and also update the spreadsheets. All my results are recorded on a shared spreadsheet. The link to that spreadsheet is in the description of the video and available to everyone to have a look at. So you can see them all, see where all my break-evens are, etc. There's two sheets on that spreadsheet. Once you just flick between the sheets, you'll soon work it out. All right, let's have a look at the charts here. This is my watch list on the right. This is all the 12-hour high probability charts. One's in blue, or ones I've currently got trades on. If there's no highlight, it means no trades. If it's in orange, something I'm going to talk about in this video. So we'll start with the Oz Swiss. Now when you see it, you can pause the video, read my notes. Generally, I have multiple sequences on some trades. So for example, S1 stands for sequence, first sequence. S2, second sequence. S3, third sequence. So buys are designated by blue, sells are designated by reds. Pause the video, read my notes. Sometimes, a lot of times, there'll be trades, two trades on the same candle. For example, this sell here is also, there'll be a third sell on the sequence 2 and the first sell on sequence 3. They're on the same candle. That happens a lot. All right, if you see green trend lines, normally signifies bullish divergence. Red trend lines, bearish divergence. This bottom indicator is the MACD Platinum, a zero lag MACD. It rotates around a zero level, which is this dotted line. Generally, I'm looking for sells above that zero line. I'm looking for buys below it. When it actually goes through the zero line, if I'm in profit on trades, that's when I take action, and that's what you'll see in most of this video. So let's have a look. Aussie Swiss, what do I do? So sequence 3, which is here, I'm going to sell. I've closed one, put a stop in place below my entry level, and that gave me $15.01 profit, which has been added to the total down here. Also moved my overall break even to a different position, 62454, which is the top yellow line. So as long as price stays below that, this is my overall break even. As long as price stays below that, I can close all trades and be in profit, except for possibly the overnight interest rate or the swap. This other yellow line is for the break even on the second sequence. I was looking at trying to close that, but we're just not through it far enough yet. So that's the Aussie Swiss, took a small profit, reduced my risk. CAD Swiss, a lot happening on this pair. All right, I've left the lines on the chart. Basically, sequence 1 was over here. So it was a sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. A lot of trades. Overall break even for that was down here somewhere. MACD Platinum is through the zero level. I've closed all the trades except zero, and my final trade was the fourth trade in that sequence. So it's the fourth sell trade was 0.16, so I've closed 0.14 and put a stop in place just below my entry level. So that locks in some profit. So on that sequence, I think I made $27.56, closing all of that sequence. And sequence 2 here was a standalone sell trade, and again, because the MACD Platinum through the zero level, closed half on that and put a stop in the same place. So both these trades are pretty well close at the same entry, and well, not that close, but within 2 pips, and stops are in the same place. And my overall break even is now this yellow line, and as we're negative 0.03, as long as price stays below that yellow line, I can close both trades in profit. So once I finish this video, I'll remove all these extra lines on the chart. I just want to show you where the trades were. That's why I leave them on there. So you can see there's none going through the MACD Platinum. All these will be removed, including the horizontal ones. So it's looking good there on the CAD Swiss, and that second closure gave me a profit of $14.37. That's all been added to the profit date, I believe. Yeah, so that's the CAD Swiss. It gets me a bit on the overnight interest rate or the swap on the sell side, so you've got to be careful. All right, moving right along, Euro Aussie. All right, sequence 3 is the only one I'm looking at. It's a buy. You can see it down here. MACD platinum through the 0 level. I've closed half, put a stop in place above the entry level. Again, it's changed my overall break even, not too much. Gave me a profit of $20.53, which has been added to the total there. So that's Aussie, Euro Aussie. Still got sequence 1, sequence 2 going. Needs to push up a bit higher. Euro Swiss. This is something that was a trade that was stopped out. Yeah, this buy trade back here, I've just left it on the chart for you to see where it was. It went up nicely, went through the MACD platinum. I closed half. I've since taken a sell trade. There's a stop on the buy. That's been stopped out, so that just gave me a small profit, $1.64, which has been added to the list. So those lines will be removed. I'll do that while I'm here because it's easy one. So all I've got now is that sell trade on there and looking all right at the moment. Pound yen. Yep, I just took a sell trade on this at 4 p.m. Look, it's not the great setup. I like this nice resistance level, or double top you could even call it. This is the 12-hour chart, so it's pretty good resistance level there. And the MAs are down, so it's come back to the 100 EMA. My concern is the MACD platinum's just above the 0 level, so that's why I've got not fussed on MACD. But it's a valid signal, so we'll take it. MACD platinum is above the 0 level just, so it's good as taken. Not ideal, but got to be disciplined. All right, pound USD, sort of similar to the pound yen. There is a sell signal here. Again, a double top or a resistance level. And again, the MACD platinum's not that far above the 0 level, but it's still a valid sell signal. Plus, I'm in a buy already from here. And what I did is I've taken that sell and I've also moved my stop on the buy up from, it was just below the entry. It's now been moved up to above the entry level, so I can't lose on the buy trade. Ideally, I want to see price drop down through that, take that stop out on that buy and make some pips on the sell side. So that's it. Overall break even is this yellow line up here. As long as price stays below that yellow line, both trades are in profit. So that's the pound USD. So that's it for the 12-hour charts, guys. Hopefully it gives you an idea how we're going. Like I said, you can have a look at that spreadsheet. I think we're doing all right on the 12-hour trades. There's nothing really getting out of control except probably the New Zealand Swiss, but I'm slowly getting a handle on that. And if you do like these videos, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. And I'll chat later. Cheers.